Welcome to Radiant Organica, where wellness meets wealth. Today, we're excited to show you how you can build real, sustainable income through our powerful compensation system. We proudly offer not just one, but 8 unique ways to earn with Radiant Organica. 1. Retail profit. 2nd, direct sales bonus. 3rd, cycle income. 4th, builder's bonus. 5. Product rebates. 6th, rebates, override. 7th, lump sum bonus. 8th, lump sum overrides. And the best part, no quota, no maintenance, no subscriptions, no rank requirements. This is an inclusive opportunity built for everyday people. Whether you're a full-time parent, an OFW, a student, or an aspiring entrepreneur. Now let's dive in and break down each income stream one by one so you can clearly see how this plan can work for you. Retail profit. Simulan natin sa pinaka-basic pero powerful, retail profit. Dito, kikita ka ng 20% hanggang 40% sa bawat produkto na mabebenta mo gamit ang sarili mong e-commerce site. Yes, may sarili kang online store na powered by Radiant Organica. Share mo lang sa social media, sa mga kaibigan o pamilya at bawat order, may instant kita ka. Ang ganda nito kasi walang puhunan sa inventory, kami na bahala sa shipping at packaging. Tuloy-tuloy ang benta, tuloy-tuloy din ang kita, simple, direct, at very doable. Direct sales bonus. May 20% komisyon ka kapag ang mga referrals mo ay bumili ng membership product packages through your Radiant Organica website para sa activation ng kanilang income center. Kung may na-invite kang kaibigan at bumili siya ng package, automatic may kita ka. Kaya kung magaling ka mag-refer o mahilig magkwento sa mga tao, this is the perfect income stream for you. This bonus rewards your effort in expanding our mission. Habang tumutulong ka sa iba, kumikita ka rin. Third, cycle income. Next is super exciting, cycle income. Dito ka kikita ng 1,000, 500 piso, 2,000, 4,000, o 6,000 paulit-ulit every time you complete a cycle. Paano ito gumagana? May structure tayo na tinatawag na 2 by 2 income center. Every time mapuno ng system ang 6 na income center sa structure mo, you complete a cycle and get paid. At ang masaya dito, unlimited cycles. Ibig sabihin, paulit-ulit mo itong pwedeng kitain. Perfect ito para sa mga seryosong gustong mag-grow ng team. Every time you help someone join, nagko-contribute sila sa cycle mo. At kapag consistent ka, tuloy-tuloy ang pasok ng bonuses. 4. Builder's bonus. Pang-apat, builder's bonus. Dito, every time na ang team mo ay kumita ng cycle income, may kita ka rin. Kumikita ka ng 150 piso, 200 piso, 400 piso, o 600 piso, depende sa level ng cycle na nakuha nila, hanggang 5 henerasyon deep. Ibig sabihin, habang tinuturuan mo ang team mo na kumita, ikaw rin ay rewarded. This is how we promote leadership. Hindi ka lang nagre-recruit, nagtuturo ka rin. And the system rewards you for helping your team grow and succeed. Panglima, product rebates. Bawat discounted products na bibilhin mo ay may income center na ma-activate. Kapag nakakomplete ka ng 6 na product income center structure, may 600 piso rebate ka. Sa madaling salita, kapag ikaw or ang team mo ay bumili ng enough products to complete that structure, may cashback ka. Ginagamit mo na ang products, may kita ka pa. It's a great way to earn while staying healthy and glowing. Pang-anim, rebates override. Kapag ang team mo, up to 5 henerasyon, ay kumita ng 600 piso mula sa product rebate, may 60 piso override ka sa bawat isa sa kanila. Baka sabihin mo maliit, pero kung marami sa team mo ang bumibili at tumatanggap ng rebates, mabilis itong lumalaki. Passive income ito habang ang buong team mo ay active na nagpo-promote at gumagamit ng products. So even if you're not selling daily, you keep earning from your overrides dahil sa Radiant Organica, walang requirements na maintenance, quota, or posisyon para makuha ang income mo. Seventh lump sum bonus. Pangpito. Ito na ang pinaka-highlight. Sa compensation plan natin, ang lump sum bonus, ang ating lump sum bonus ay 500,000 piso. Yes, 500,000 piso sa lahat ng income center mo na nakakomplete sa ating 2x10 level structure. Yes, kalahating milyon. At hindi lang ito one time, unlimited ito. Bawat completion mo ng bagong structure, may chance kang ulitin-ulit ang bonus. This is for serious builders. If you're ready to take your growth to the next level, this is your big goal. 8. Lump sum overrides. At last but not the least, lump sum overrides. Kapag ang team member mo up to 5 generations ay kumita ng 500,000 piso lump sum bonus, may 50,000 piso override ka. Ibig sabihin, habang tinutulungan mong mag-grow at magtagumpay ang team mo, ikaw rin ay nagbe-benefit. Ang success ng iba, success mo rin. This is why we say, grow leaders, not just followers. Because the more you help them succeed, the more you're rewarded. So ayan, 8 ways to earn with Radiant Organica. Whether part-time ka, full-time mom, OFW, or just looking for extra income online, may way para sa'yo. Meron kang retail profit for fast cash. Meron ka namang 20% referral sales bonus tuwing makakapag-register ka ng affiliate sa referral link mo at bumili ng product package. Meron ka din paulit-ulit na income mula sa re-entry ng cycling income center mo and 10% bonus mula sa income ng team mo up to the 5th generation. And when you choose to build your team for long-term growth, makukuha mo ang iyong cycle income bonus at builder's bonus ng mabilis at paulit-ulit. Sa Radiant Organica, bawat hakbang mo ay rewarded. Let Radiant Organica be your platform, not just to earn, but to grow, lead, and empower others. Ready ka na bang magsimula? Send us a message. Register na sa link ng taong nag-share sa'yo ng magandang oportunidad na ito. Let's start building your success together. Radiant Organica. Radiate from within. Dito, health meets wealth. At dito rin nagsisimula ang journey mo to true freedom. Dahil kapag may tamang system at suporta ka, walang limit ang income potential mo.